Hi guys, Mike here with everythingaboutconcrete.com. This video is about making concrete look like wood. This is our 16-inch barn board pattern. Stay tuned. So this is what the concrete looks like right after we get done pouring it out of the truck. It has a nice brown texture, nice brown color to it. We mag out the surface just before we get ready to stamp it to take out any imperfections. Now here we've thrown on the charcoal release color and we're starting to lay the stamps on it. These are 16-inch wood plank stamps, so we lay them right down and then we walk right on them. The weight of our body kind of pushes the imprint of the stamp into the concrete. We'll just keep going until we cover the entire area. We use this little tiny piece to get around pipes, around edges, around columns. And this is what the concrete looks like when we're done. It has that mostly brownish color with a little bit of black charcoal secondary color. These stamps have really nice texture. It shows all the wood grain. It shows the knot holes. The seams line up really nice so you get nice straight lines. For an outside deck like this, concrete's going to hold up and be a lot less maintenance than wood would be. This is one of our more popular patterns. Now, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to learn how to do this, leave me a comment down in the comments. Also, guys, hey, hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you can be updated whenever I put out new videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and for more information you can visit www.everythingaboutconcrete.com. We'll catch you on the next one.